Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt. In case you don't know who I am, welcome to this YouTube channel where we talk about day trading futures. So, in today's video, to kind of follow up the past couple of videos that I've been doing, I'm going to be talking about my experience in the pro account now that I am past step 2. So, in the previous videos, I've either been in step 1 or step 2 of the Topstep Trader Challenge in order to earn a funded account. So, let's go ahead and dive into it. I passed step 1 in 5 days, step 2 in 5 days as well, and then had to burn 5 days of trading because they make you trade a minimum of 10 days. Now I am into the pro account. You can see that here, the pro account. If I go in here, you can see that I passed step 1, passed step 2, and now I'm a funded trader on the pro version. They have 2 different options that you can pick. The first being the pro option. Basically, you're still sim trading up to $5,000 of profit. Once you hit that 5,000 number, they're going to move you into a live funded account where your orders will affect the DOM and you'll be trading a live account. The reason that we do the pro version is because you don't have to pay the data fees up front. So for your first $5,000 of profit, you're not having to pay the monthly data fee of $100 for whatever you're trading, right? The other reason is that you get better fills on sim accounts just from order flow. So that's another positive about doing the pro account. So started off bad, not good at all. Got all the way down to $1,300 of minimum drawdown. Yeah, so started off bad. Every step so far, step 1, step 2, and the pro account, I had red days starting off. On step 1 and step 2, I only had the first day being red. So here we can go ahead and take a look at my first day, which was February 18th. And started off minus $408. On this account, I get a $500 daily loss, so I have to keep it under $500 of losing. So $408. P&L high, I just never want to trade, basically. I just started off red and kept trading red. Typically, my first trade of the day is how that whole day is going to go. That's something that I know about myself, especially trading after hours, and that's just a mistake. And then I made another mistake on the second day, right? So $408 of negative drawdown, and then followed by $414 of negative drawdown. So I was $822 in the hole starting this past day. So it's 5 o'clock, so technically the trading day has started, but starting yesterday at 5 o'clock, I was $822 in the hole. Not a great feeling because just my mentality, it's hard to recover from red, right? So it's easier to take risks and to be a better trader when you're net positive. When you're having to play catch up, it's just harder to make better decisions. So you can see here, ended the day at $823 of drawdown. My minimum balance was $900. And this trailing max drawdown, that will increase as my account increases. But just not a great start. But then we had today great volatility. So you can see here my winning trade percentage down in the 20% range. Not good. I ended step 2 at around 90% win rate. And then step 1, I believe, was like 70 or 80. That was in the video before this, so you can go back and look. I'm not super sure. But this is horrible. The average win to average losing trade here is good, but this is never going to make you money if you're only winning 28% of the time, right? This is obviously never going to make you money, especially if you're only winning 25% of the time. So let's get into today's trading, right? So since it's a new trading day, you're not going to be able to see my fills, but I can at least talk through them. We ended the day with a profit of $1,400, $1,442 to be exact, which puts our overall account balance up in the net positive at $619. So we went from $823 in the hole to $619 of profit, which means we are on our way to that $5,000 goal in order to open up the live account, take out some money. So right now, winning day percentage 33, obviously. This is what I want to get to. 87.5% win rate. That's back up to normal for me. Today was a great day of trading. Felt good. 10 winners, 2 losers for consecutive. So I had 10 consecutive winning trades, 2 consecutive losing trades. Biggest loser, I think I had like 2 of these trades, $500 losses. Part of this was because the NASDAQ and the ES had a crazy day over here. You can see we had just an eruption down, almost 200 points in like a matter of like 20 minutes or something, just crazy. I tried to take a long at 91. 95, 91 was a level that I was looking at, so I tried to take a long here, and it immediately like ripped like 50 points down or something just outrageous, which is like $1,000. So basically, I had a stop that like slipped like crazy, and then another stop that slipped like crazy. Immediately got in at 95.50, 50 flat, and then rode it up for like a $900 gain or something, which basically made back all my money plus like an extra $300. And then I had my big win of the night or of the day to start the day, occurred this morning. So got in around here, exited up here. Actually, I got in right around here. It was in the early morning session right before 7 o'clock. Got in long, took a little bit of drawdown, and exited like almost near the top. It was like 88. So near a perfect entry. I think I have a picture of it in my Discord. Let's just go to that real quick. Not that you really care about this, but we'll just take a peek at my Discord and check out my exit. So here's my trades for the day. You can see my exit right here to follow by the dump. So I was really happy with this exit. Obviously got caught up in this dump a little bit, but it happens. And the reason that I was able to go into this NQ trade where I ended up losing money is because I was up like $1,100 on the day, taking my account to $300 of profit, and it looked like a good opportunity to me, and I was willing to risk a little bit of money just because I had $1,100 to play with, plus my $500 in normal drawdown. I knew I wasn't going to get back $1,600, so like I just was willing to basically put some more on the line, take a little bit of a riskier trade in order to make some more money. I also traded the overnight session with crude and the ES. So last night, I went to bed already up like $260, so that was a great start to the day, just feeling a little more confident as well as having a little more room to play with. So what we're seeing right now is actually kind of interesting. We're getting a lot of price movement for the overnight session. For this being just like, let me just blow this chart up a little bit. This was the market open, so we've already dropped like 30 points, 20 points, which is kind of a lot. That's a lot of volatility for this early in the open. So Friday will be interesting. Should be really fun to trade. But basically that's it. I was gonna see if I could get a live trade in here. I don't really know if I want to play this chop right now. It's a little too early for me still. But that's basically the overview. We're gonna keep doing these overviews. Just been busy plus bad trading, but we're gonna keep doing the overviews, try and be vulnerable here a little bit. Need to get my win percent rate back up to normal, get out of the 20s, stay back up in the 80 plus range. Really 70 plus is ideal, and get up to that 5K profit. If this video is interesting to you, go ahead and check out the links down below, subscribe, like it, all that jazz. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to talk strategies, all that good stuff. That's what I'm here for. Come join the Discord, all the good stuff that's linked down below. So, hope you have a great rest of the day, and I will talk to you later. Good luck trading, and go make some money. Peace.